Connecting to the cloud, and I think I am recording. Just 1 second. Companion, no, sorry, don't need that. Okay, yeah, it's recording. So hello, my name is Matt. I am the new webmaster of District 108. And I just created a tool to help Toastmasters clubs around the world to quick automate feedback delivery to the speakers. And I hope this tool will help you to maybe enhance the logistic of feedback, delivering, voting, and other stuff like presentation. But I will show you later in the presentation. Okay, so let's get started. Since I joined the Toastmasters world, I just spotted an extremely big weak point. That weak point was the feedback, evaluation, and delivering to the speakers by audience, because many Toastmasters club were used sticky notes, paper, and to be honest, it was extremely hard to delivering all the papers, and also sometimes to understood the thoughts of the guest of the audience, because many people has different writing style, right? But that doesn't happen on the digital world. So I just got idea to create application that will automate every boring process in the Toastmasters and help with delivering that. And I just named that the SpeakAura. The first word is speak because we are speaking, and the second aura because I want to spread aura of innovation to the whole Toastmasters world. And I hope with that recording help me to spread that aura innovation to the beautiful Toastmasters world. So welcome SpeakAura, automating feedback delivery and enhance Toastmasters with seamless feedback automation delivery for speakers. And how it works? It works pretty easy because you just need to create meeting and show a QR code. But before we go next, I just want to list all the SpeakAura features. So we have the automated feedback delivery. We got the instant structured feedback sent directly to the speaker's email. So after the session, after the meeting, SpeakAura automatically sends all this feedback, which is structured in the PDF file, directly to the speaker's email. But it's not the only feature. Also, SpeakAura uses the IA to analyze the whole feedback, and it generates insights and creates growth reports for speakers. Because I just spotted that sometimes it's hard to, connect all the dots and understood every thought of the human being. And it's pretty good job for the IA, because IA can use its power to create short summary to help you as speaker to grow. Also, one-click voting results. Let's be honest, it's hard to maybe count all the voting numbers. So we can use the power of software. SpeakAura just calculate votes for you and show you the winners, the names of the winners, and you just need to watch that and read that and can show this winners on the meeting, right? At the end of the meeting. Also, I spotted another problem in the Toastmasters meeting, presentation sharing. There were two options: email sending with the attachment, right, and delivering USB drivers. But not every person has the USB drivers, and we also got the problem on our club, local club in the Warsaw, that people were too late to send the presentation. So I just got idea, maybe to give people opportunity to always send presentation even during their speech. And how I achieve that? I just craft presentation sharing using the private magic link. With the SpeakAura, you get a speaker of the meeting. You get the your private magic link, and using that magic link, you can just quick upload your presentation, and that presentation will be visible on the laptop with the host of the meeting, who is actually owning the technology and taking care of the technology. And that person just need to click one button in the SpeakAura dashboard, and that person can show your presentation. So it's pretty quick and easy to use that. Yeah, the last feature, social media optimized promotion. It's also big struggle to clubs to promote the meeting, right? And there is nice solution in the website and social media. It's the Open Graph protocol. So with the SpeakAura, you can create with easy way share a link for your meeting and publish that link on every social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, I don't know what's Messenger and other messengers application like maybe Discord to quick promote your meeting. And when you share the meeting with the link, for example, Facebook will create a beautiful card with the image and handy information to increase the rate of clicking. People start clicking on your link and sharing the link with the others. So with that social media Open Graph protocol, it increases your chance to gather attention of the people. Okay, but let's move forward. How actually SpeakAura works? So it's pretty easy. You just need to activate form and show the QR code. And QR code is always the same. So you can just print that QR code on your agenda or on your room when you have the meeting. And where people will scan the QR code, they will show it will show on their phone active forms like maybe some feedback, voting, table topics, on voting for best speaker of the meeting, right? So to achieve, for example, quick feedback published with the audience, you just need to, people need to take phone, scan QR code, write their thoughts in the special form, send that with one button and forget. That's all. The feedback items will be delivered to the SpeakAura system, and at the end of the meeting, SpeakAura will send that information to the speakers. With SpeakAura, you just need to phone, nothing else, just phone. And let's be honest, every person, every human being, I think, has the phone. Even my grandma has the phone. Yeah, that's the feedback, right? And the second is voting. That's the same. Take phone, scan QR code, click on the rectangle, the person you want to vote, and send, forget. That's all. That's all. With SpeakAura, you just need phone to do that. And that's the first milestone of automating the process of feedback delivering and voting in the Toastmasters. SpeakAura will generate a special QR code for you, which is always the same. So it's never changed. And you just need to activate forms and show the QR code. And how it works, at the end of the meeting, the speaker will get the email For example, we have the Spanish language because SpeakAura supports 25 languages, and speakers got the mail and the free PDF files. The first and second is the feedback, but it has the different struct. And the second analyze is the insight from the IA. IA just analyzed the audience opinion of your speech and create a special summary for you to help you to understand and help you to grow. And how it looks. Okay, for example, the table format looks like this, right? That's the date, information. What is it? It's the feedback. To whom? To you. For example, we have the Kasia Wiśniewski and the speech title, time management, and the questions and answers. But in the table format, we have the items sorted. So, for example, we see how each person provides your feedback. Is the first question, second and third, and you can see how every person just analyze your speech. Okay, that's the feedback in the table format. And the next is the I insights. Yeah, SpeakAura will deliver also quick summary, and will try to help you to focus on weak spots of your persona of the stage, and try to help you. And we can see there is also PDF file with the date and some text. What is it? And it's very important. SpeakAura delivering is your key strength. What was the strong points of your speech, and also development area with the links and some technique how you can improve your speech. Like we can see the Hemingway exercise. You just click that and we show you a link with the actual exercises and some wall resonance technique. If you just got more development area, SpeakAura will provide you more information. But also you got some action plan, like week 1, week 2nd round, and ongoing, and some motivation insight. But for each speakers, it's different. It's different text with different case strengths, development areas, and action plan. But main objective is to help you as speaker to grow in Toastmasters world. Yes, so the next important thing is voting. Yeah, people vote, and you as the person who is owning the laptop and the main account of the SpeakAura, you just see the voting dashboard. And in the voting dashboard, you see the participants, the votes, and who is winner. For example, we see the speaker, evaluator, and table topics. Yeah, the speaker winner is Anastasia, evaluator is Johnny, and table topics Ado win the table topics. But also it is the interactive. When you just click, for example, on the Ado, it will disqualify the Ado from the voting, and Ado will be visible as the option when the people will try to vote. Yeah, and you just need to see the names, and you can at the end of the meeting just maybe give the person every winner some gift. Yeah, SpeakAura automatically calculates the votes and display the winners for you. Yeah, the second presentation, also very important. So you as speakers will gather with the email, because when person will add the speaker to the meeting, SpeakAura will be sent the mail. This mail will work like notification for the speaker that your speech is accepted, and will provide you information on what date and where your speech will be performed by you. And with the, of course, your private link, you just need to click on that link and you will see this panel. All you need just to drag and drop your file. It may be the PowerPoint presentation, maybe some Word file, or just image like PNG or JPEG. With the maximum size 30 megabytes, but I think 30 megabytes is enough. But if it'll be not enough, I can increase the limit. But I hope I don't need to do that. Yes, so speaker doesn't need to provide a USB drive and send email with the attachment. You just need to upload your presentation to the special dashboard. Yeah, how the notification will look like. It will look like this email, right? You will see the email with the title, and that email will also contain the calendar integrated. You can just add that to your calendar. For example, in Gmail, you can add that to the Gmail calendar with the one click, and you see some handy information. We see that in the Polish, with the information that speech title is accepted for Anastasia, and the date is, that date with the localization, with the hyperlink attached. So that means when you click on the hyperlink, it will automatically open the Google Maps on your phone with the road how to get that to the localization from your current point, because it's, Google Maps is used the GPS, and we have the green button to quick open your private link. Yeah, and the share. Yeah, so also you can create the share link for your meeting, and it will look like this. When person will open that share link, you see there some, I think, the handy information about the meeting, right? Which club, number of the meeting, some date, localization, with also button how to get team and Toastmasters of the host. We have also the map, where is it located, and the speakers, but it also showed the evaluators and table topics. And on the right, you see Open Graph in action. It's actually it's Slack application, and I just paste the link, and Slack just generate an Open Graph image for me with the information about the meeting, the speakers, and team localization, and all is visible in the Open Graph. So person, for example, will be scrolling like Facebook and maybe some other social media, and we see the all information on one place, and I think there is high probability to increase the click ratio and of that link, and maybe more people will just come to your meeting. Yeah, how to get there button, just click and you will see how to get to the location of the meeting. Many languages, actually it's more than 20, so I need to update the presentation, but you can see we have the English, Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Dutch, Finnish, Hindi even, so you can quick switch between languages and use SpeakAura in your local club on your area. Okay, so SpeakAura replace sticky notes with the phone. Let's click to the to the link, and there is the SpeakAura. Actually, it's in English. That's the landing page. You can write the information. Also, there is a quick demo, some features, how it works, right? I will show you in live later. And some common questions. It's very important. Is SpeakAura free? Yes, SpeakAura is free and will be free for you. Do you need install anything? No, just open the website using browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. Do I need account to vote? Just one account. It's very important that for each club, you just need one account. Your audience don't need to register to SpeakAura. You just need to one account for your club, and that's all. If someone doesn't use SpeakAura, a guest audience, it's okay. You just show the QR code or link, and people need to enter to the link, and we'll see the forms. Yes, only QR codes or regular links. You can use both, because actually QR code is link encoded. And also, is it integrated with other platforms? You can synchronize with the Google. Like if you have the Google account, Gmail, you can quickly synchronize with that. And also you can import the meeting from the EasySpeak. Yeah, that was hard feature to implement, because EasySpeak is, to be honest, very old software and doesn't contain any API and other way to integrate. And the presentation is also visible in this link. You just click this link and the presentation will be shown for you, and you can also share with the others. Okay, but let's go with the demo. I will show you the application. I actually have the account, so SpeakAura is remembering me. But when you just log into the website, you will see some different dashboard. It will be the big rectangle with the information. You have to click that to create the meeting. So the modal, the dialog will be shown like this. You just need to provide the information for the meeting, or you can also import the data from the SpeakAura meeting. You just need to provide the agenda link, the public agenda, and SpeakAura will try to import that. Okay, but I will create manually. So let's create a meeting, for example, this day. Toastmaster of the evening will be the maths. Me, word of the day will be the book. Meeting theme will be the tree. And location is some street in the Poland, in the Warsaw. For example, let's let's guess that meeting will be in this. So in confirm, I'm creating the meeting. Meeting is created, and this is my dashboard. So what's next? Next, I just need to create the speakers, most important part. So I'm just clicking this speaker as participant, and also I can switch between some different participants, but the most important is the speaker. It's me, for example. My speech title is maybe adventure, and my email is bluzer proton mail. So I just create that, and the speaker is created. Let's create evaluator. For example, Kasia will evaluate me. So I just put myself to this. Add, and yeah, evaluates the speaker Mateusz. Yeah, I have the typo, but it's okay. And maybe I will change that. Yes, you can also change update the speaker. Yes, it's updated. It's the correct name, and you see I got the mail, but I will show later. Yeah, the speaker is created. The avatar is created. Let's create the table topics. It's also important because the table topics is the only scenario that you need to create that people participants during the meeting. But you can do that in a handy way, right? You just click participant table topics and maybe Kasia, maybe Ebba, create another, maybe Bob, the snake, pitch title, another maybe Johnny or John, and the speech course, it's added, right? So we have the participants added, but it's very important. I created participants for my mail. So that means if I will connect to the mail, I will see exactly. Can I hide that? Yes, I can hide that. I see the information. I got the notification email, and you see there is a mail from the SpeakAura that my speech titled Adventure in Toastmasters is accepted, right? I see also the calendar. I can add that to my Proton calendar, and I see the location. And there is mail with the typo, but don't care about that. There's just a demo with the title Adventure has been granted to start the Toastmaster meeting, and we see that date is yeah, that date, but it's in the Polish, but it will be in also in the different locate and at the location. And if I will click that, you see it will create the Google Maps route. And also I have presentation private link. If I will click that, you will see there is my private link that is only for me, and I can upload upload my presentation. I just need to drag and drop, so I'm doing that. I'm uploading a logo of the SpeakAura. You see it's uploaded. I see the information that my presentation is ready to be shown at the meeting. And I can delete that and upload another different presentation. It's up to you if you upload the bat file. I can open that. If I open that, it will just download my logo, right? So that's the SpeakAura logo. But it's very important that this will be visible in the presentations. So I just need to refresh the website, and you will see that it is visible in the presentation dashboard. So I just uploaded the presentation, and person who is using actually the SpeakAura on the meeting of the Toastmasters just need to click that and can use that to show the, for example, SpeakAura logo, right? Okay, but let's move forward with the most important. So the most important is the feedback and voting. How do we activate the forms? We need to click that button, and you see there will be visible the feedback and voting choices for you. For example, to activate the feedback, you need to click that, and you will also see your forms that you created on your dashboard. You just need to pick your form with your question, so you can define your own question. Also change the order. You just need to click accept, and this active. For example, we have also the voting for table topics. We click that, and also the humor. We click that, and it's activated, so it will be visible for the audience, and you just need to click the show. The button is showing the QR code, people need to scan that with the phone, and after that, they will see the special panel for you, like this one, right? Like this one. Of course, in the panel in the website, you can switch the language, but to provide the feedback, you click the rectangle. You just provide some data, but it's not important actually. So I will just provide some random words. You click the send. It's okay. It's sent. You can show what data you sent, and you can back. And for example, also we need to vote for table topics. We click that. We have the options, right? For example, we vote for the Bob. We send that. It's sent. Let's wait. We back to the main form, and the last one is the voting for humor. And for humor, we need to provide the name. So with SpeakAura, we help you with that. SpeakAura will show you the all participants. So you also need to write name or pick from the list. I will pick myself. And send. It's sent. Okay. So that's mean there is no active. There is no active forms. I will back to SpeakAura, and you see there is some notification. There is some notification, and you see there is some feedback and humor. Let's see the voting. Yes, we have the voting. Actually, we have the only table topics votes, and there is only one vote for myself. The Kasia John contains the 0. There is one vote, and yeah, there is one vote from the table topics, and there is a winner. There is Bob. So SpeakAura will show you the winner's name, and no need to calculate manually by yourself. SpeakAura, the software inside the SpeakAura, will calculate for you. Yeah, that's the voting. And the second is the humor. Also, the humor will calculate the provided names, and there is only one name provided. It's myself with the number of votes, and there is a cloud word to show you who got the most votes for the audience, right? There is myself, so you can just use that. There's also will be the second place and the third place with the names, but actually there's only myself. And yeah, the feedback. There is the feedback, which is some random words. If, for example, the speaker will want to get the PDF files right now, you can just click download. And let's wait. Yeah, it's created the zip file. And in the zip file will be the feedback with the table struct and the group struct. Yes, so that's the main like features SpeakAura provide, but there's only also the last I think nice feature, which is the timer. You can open the timer. For example, we have meeting will be start at this time. We want to play some music when it will started, and you prepare the window. And you just need to click countdown, and big timer will be shown on the second window, and you can show that the big second window or your second, maybe you have the big screen right in the Toastmasters meeting, and you just show the big screen, and people will see the time that is escalating, right? And we'll see that, for example, it's 3 minutes to start the meeting. And I tested that also on my own club. It helps with the time discipline, because we didn't have any shift in time. And for example, we always start meeting at the, it was, I think, 7, wait, yeah, it was 7 p.m. So we'd always start the meeting at the time. And we also ended the meeting at the time. So there is no any shift, and we got very good and handy time discipline on our club. Let's close that. But it's not the okay, it's not the last feature, but also I will show you the club. Yeah, we can also create the club, and to share the meeting, you need to create your club. But for example, you can just provide the club name on shortcut, and maybe some location meeting if you want to. And the option of sharing meeting will be available for you, because you need to create club, because sharing link is using the club short name, like your own short unique name that will be used for sharing the meetings. And also in the club, you need to create some forms, but it's pretty easy. You just create that with the button. For example, it's create the form, maybe workshops. I confirm that, and there is workshop created. And I need, for example, 3 questions. What went well? Maybe how do you feel? And maybe some additional notes for you. But I want to change that. Maybe additional notes and feelings. And for example, I want to change the order. What went well was the second, and additional notes, maybe the first one, and update that. And now I can use that form in my feedback, activation. So let's create speaker again, maybe test, but also you can add speaker without email if speaker will don't, or maybe you just need the speakers just for voting. It's okay. You can just create the speaker without email, and SpeakAura will not send any feedback information using mail. Okay, so let's create that. We have the speaker. Let's create with my workshop, right? I have the workshop. Activate the workshop. It's activated. Let's show QR code again. It's created, right? Also, you can download the QR code, and you can print, for example, or use that QR code in your agenda, right? Or you can just print paper and use that paper somewhere in the room you are where is your club's meeting. And it's very important because the struct of the form is like SpeakAura, the language, and your special code. And this link is encoded in the QR code. And that encoded special short code is always the same. It never changes. It's very important. When you create the club, you get your special unique code, and you can you are using always the same QR code. It never changes. Never changes. And when the people scan that QR code, and they will navigate to the special your club forms site of SpeakAura, and always activate forms, voting, and etc. will be shown on that site. Okay, let's click that, and you see there is another feedback with the workshops, and some also random data. Let's send that. Okay, what's if I will refresh? SpeakAura remembers that you are using that and will not allow you to use again that. So you cannot use this from again, right? So it protects you from like voting anomalies. Let's close. And the last, the last feature is sharing. You just click that, and you need to use that. Pasting. But exactly, I want to show you the real scenario because actually the Vistula Toastmasters leaders using SpeakAura like since 1 year, so they are the first users of the SpeakAura, and they actually using that share links. And you see, Vistula is has that sharing prepared. You see, today is the meeting of the Vistula at the current time. There is a location with the how to get there. So when on phone, I will click that. I will show the. It will open the Google Maps with the road how to get to the location from my current position. So it helps you to navigate to the meeting. We see that Mateusz Rączka is the Toastmasters of the winning of the evening, and we see that team is the some Polish team. But you also we see that they are located on the Mokotów, in the Warsaw, in Xaverów. So they have meeting here, right? Exactly in this area. We see there are two speakers: the Michał Zaborowski coaching Jakub Proste, ale nie łatwe. And also you can add that meeting to the calendar. Actually, there's integrated calendar with the Google, Apple, iCal, Outlook. So just click that, and you will see that meeting will be added to your calendar. And that's the last feature. Or maybe I will show you also how the Open Graph is working. Let's go to the Slack site, and yes, I will paste that again. The latest one. Let's wait some time. It needs to create the Open Graph. Okay. Actually, I think there is some some anomalies, but you see that Open Graph is working. We have this the speakers, but in Polish because they're in Polish club, and you just click that and you see the sharing. Oh, wait, I just got the error. Okay, let's forget about that. Let's use, for example, this meeting because it's working. Yeah, that's the paste meeting, but you see it's showing the handy information, which club. Actually, it's Toastmaster test because I was testing that the number, team, location, who is the Toastmaster of the meeting, the host, and team, and speakers. And you can use that Open Graph on social media. And that's the all. That's the all features. That's the SpeakAura. And SpeakAura is free. SpeakAura is available during the public internet. You just need to use SpeakAura link, right? And you can just register, or you can quickly synchronize using Google account. If, for example, have your club, Toastmasters club, Google account, you can use that Google account to quick register to the SpeakAura and using all the features, adding meetings, speakers, doing gathering the feedback from the audience, voting, counting timer, right? And if you provide the mails of the speakers at the end of the session of the meeting, SpeakAura will send the mail with the feedback struct in the table with also insight to speaker's mail. And that's all. That's the SpeakAura. My name is Matt, and I hope this tool help you to transform your club to the digital world and help you to automate all the boring process. And I am improving the SpeakAura. If you have some ideas how to improve that, or maybe you found a bug, like previous I found the bug, just give the information. I will fix that, and I will also enhance the SpeakAura with the new features. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, okay, so I will stop the recording.